Lagos.
Yeah.
And there was a test carried out, and it was found to be positive.
We hear is a patient, not a victim. Actually, there's a news trending on the social media that alcohol cures coronavirus. What's your take on that?
Well, for disinfection, yes, we say alcohol-based substances, gel or liquid, will destroy any kind of germs if you have them on your hand or on the surface. But that does not mean you drink it and you get yourself cured. That does not mean that. So it's just for surface germ control.
Okay, so what advice do you have for Nigerians on the last note?
First, sanitation. Keep your hands clean. Avoid crowds. And we advise social distancing. Keep away from people who might be coughing or sneezing. And we also advise that if you do not have anything urgent in any of these high-burden countries, delay your travel there if you're intending to travel until the situation gets better. So non-essential travels should be withheld until the situation has improved. And it will be a good thing too if other countries will do the same, to advise their citizens to withhold non-essential travel, particularly those countries, the high-burden countries. I understand that China already does an exit screening, screen all passengers who are leaving, and retain those who are suspicious or who have a fever or who have symptoms, and stops them from traveling.
Okay, thank you so much. We have been discussing with Dr. Osagie Ehianire, that's the Minister of Health here in Nigeria. Thank you so much for joining us on Network News.
Thank you, thank you.
And not just the scare, the oil sector has also been affected as oil prices plunged to their lowest in more than a year, putting them on track for the biggest weekly decline in more than 4 years. As the spread of the coronavirus creates fears of slowing global demand, oil markets are hoping for steeper supply quotes by the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC audit allies, including Russia, who have said they will take a responsible approach in the wake of the virus outbreak. On the other hand, investors are increasingly worried the epidemic could turn into a pandemic as the virus has spread beyond its epicenter in China to 53 countries. The producer group OPEC Plus, which is currently reducing output by roughly 1 to 2 million barrels per day to support prices, is due to meet in Vienna on March 5th to 6th. In a related development,